Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between stock and flow. The concept of stock and flow is mainly used while computing the national income of a country. There are a number of terms related to national income which are classified into stock and flow. For example, while savings is stock, investment is a flow, the distance between two places is a stock, but the speed of the vehicle is a flow. Similarly, income is a flow, whereas wealth is a stock. So, let's look into the basic differences between stock and flow in a tabular form. Difference number 1. In simple words, the stock is nothing but the quantity of any commodity or asset available, accumulated or held, at a particular point in time. On the other hand, flow is the difference or changes in the commodity or asset, during a particular period, that is, between two given consecutive dates. Number 2. Stock is a static concept, which means that whenever we measure stock, it gives a snapshot of the goods available or left at that particular moment. But, flow is a dynamic concept because it takes into account such variables which show a constant activity, progress or change. Number 3. Stock is the measurement of quantity of economic variable, which is measured at a particular point in time, whereas, flow is the measurement of quantity of economic variable, which is measured at a particular period of time. Number 4. Stock determines the level of stock on a specific point in time, which is accumulated or depleted over time due to flows. Whereas, flows indicates the rate of inward and outward movement of the goods from the stock. Number 5. While stock reflects the state or position of the economy at a specific time, whereas, flow indicates the changes in the economy over an interval of time. Number 6. While the stock is measured in units, flow is measured in units per time, that is, flow is measured per hour, per day, per week, per month and so on. Number 7. Stock is not time dimensional, meaning that we measure the stock without referring to the duration of time, but when we talk about flow, it is time dimensional, as we always measure the flow of variable in relation to the duration of time. And, difference number 8. Stock and flow are mutually interdependent, in the sense that stock is accumulated over a period of time, by inflows and it is reduced by outflows. So, the stock is influenced by flows. On the other hand, the flow tends to influence stock in the sense that it will increase the stock of any item it flows into or decreases the same it flows out of. So, it is quite clear from the above explanation that stock is a snapshot of the accumulated reserve of the commodity at a particular point. On the other hand, flow is basically the operations which cause the stock to rise or fall. So, these are the differences between stock and flow. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.